Hello, friends! In this video, let me quickly walk you through a simple C program that converts a fractional number into its binary representation. Don't worry if you're new to C. I'll keep it super easy. Alright, look at the screen. This is a short C program written in a code editor. Let me break it down for you piece by piece. At the very top, we have hashtag include stdio.h. This line simply tells the compiler to bring in the standard input-output library, so we can use things like printf and scanf for printing and reading values. Then we have the main function, which is where every C program starts running. Inside main, we declare two variables. Float num will hold the fractional number the user enters, and int I is just a counter we'll use in the loop. Next, the program prints a message asking the user to enter a fractional number between 0 and 1. The scanf line right below it reads that number and stores it in our num variable. After that, it prints binary representation equals 0 point, because any fraction between 0 and 1 will always start with 0 point something in binary too. Now comes the interesting part, the conversion logic. We have a for loop that runs 10 times, which means we're limiting our binary output to 10 bits for simplicity. Inside the loop, the program multiplies the number by 2. Then it checks with an if condition. If the result is greater than or equal to 1, it prints 1 and subtracts 1 from the number. Otherwise, it prints 0. This is the classic method of converting a decimal fraction into binary. Multiply by 2, pick the whole part, and repeat. Finally, return 0 tells the system that the program ran successfully, and the closing curly brace ends our main function. Pretty simple, right? With just a few lines of code, you can convert any fraction between 0 and 1 into its binary form. That's it for this video, friends. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Webronaq for more beginner-friendly tech and coding tutorials. See you in the next one.